Welcome to Analog Electronics Lab. Today I will discuss experiment number 8, plot the transfer and drain characteristics of N-channel MOSFET and calculate its parameter, namely drain resistance, mutual conductance and amplification factor. The N-channel MOSFET has an N-channel region between source and drain. It is a 4-terminal device as gate, drain, source and body. This type of MOSFET, the drain and source are heavily doped plus region and the substrate or body is p-type. The current flows due to negatively charged electrons. This is the symbol of depletion type MOSFET. This is N-channel MOSFET and this is P-channel MOSFET. Next we go symbol of enhancement MOSFET. This is N-channel MOSFET and this is P-channel MOSFET. Circuit diagram of this is the circuit diagram of MOSFET. There are two type of characteristics for MOSFET. One is drain characteristics and another transfer characteristics. Now I will discuss the circuit diagram of MOSFET. Here this is the supply voltage VGG. This is 1 kilo ohms. This is IG for gate current. This is VGS, gate to source voltage. This is ID, drain current. This is VDS, that is drain to source voltage. This is VDD, drain supply voltage. Here we use two resistance. One will be used gate and another resistance will be used drain. The value of resistor will be 1 kilo ohms. Then we will go drain and transfer characteristics of MOSFET. This is the transfer characteristics. This is transfer characteristics and this is drain characteristics. Now we will go parameters of MOSFET characteristics. Drain characteristics. Drain resistance RD. It is given by the ratio of small changes in drain to source voltage del VDS to the corresponding change in drain current del IT for a constant gate to source voltage VGS when the JFET is operating in pinch off or saturation region. Transconductance or GM. This is ratio of small change in drain current del IT to the corresponding change in gate to source voltage del VGS for a constant VDS. GM equals to del ID by del VDS at constant VDS. The value of GM is expressed in mho or Siemens. Amplification factor will be denoted mu. It is given by the ratio of small change in drain to source voltage del VDS to the corresponding change in gate to source voltage del VGS for a constant drain current. So amplification factor mu equals to del VDS by del VGS or mu equals to RT into GM. RT is drain resistance and GM transconductance. Thank you everyone.